Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to join public contests in Xl11. First, open the Xl11 application and navigate to the main menu. Look for the Contests or Public Events section, usually prominently displayed. This area lists all currently active public contests. Take a moment to review the various options, noting their entry fees and prize pools. Choosing the right contest is key to a fun experience. Once you've selected a contest, click on it to access the full details. Carefully read through the rules and ensure you meet all eligibility requirements. Some contests might have specific player-level restrictions or other conditions. If an entry fee is required, you'll be prompted to pay it. This is typically a small amount, perhaps $5, and can usually be paid using your in-app balance or a linked payment method. Before the contest officially starts, take some time to prepare. Familiarize yourself with the specific objectives and how points are awarded. Many contests have unique scoring systems, so understanding them is crucial. Consider practicing any relevant skills or strategies in a casual mode to sharpen your abilities. Also, double-check your Xl11 profile to make sure all your information is current and accurate for seamless participation. When the contest begins, participate actively and try your best to achieve the objectives. Keep an eye on the live leaderboards to track your performance against other players. This can help you adjust your strategy if needed. Once the contest period ends, the results will be finalized and announced. Check back in the contest section to see if you've won any prizes, which could be in-game currency or other rewards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.